friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel All in 1K. And in this video we're gonna discuss about history of Python. If this video is helpful for you, then like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without any further delay, let's get started. Python is an interpreted object-oriented programming language, and Python was the inventor of the Python is Judo van Rossum. Python was invented in 1980s. Python was invented in 1980s by Judo van Rossum. Then we see some brief history. Early Python descendant of ABC that will appeal to Unix or C programmers. Python 2.0 released in 2000 had major new features, garbage collector and support for Unicode. Python 3.0 major backward incompatible releases in 2008. Nowadays we can use Python 3 also. Now Python many major features have backport to the backward compatible 2.6 and 2.7. Then we see some short history of Python. Late 80s, Python was conceived, and in December 1989, Python get started implementation. In February 1991, Python released 0.9, and in January 1994, Python 1 was released. Then October 2000, Python 2 was finally released, and December 2008, Python 3 was released. In January 18, Python 3.7 was released. So this is a short history of Python. If you want to take a screenshot, then take it. If this video is helpful for you, then like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And one more, access the playlist and bookmark the playlist for latest upcoming videos. This is all for today's video. Thank you guys, and bye bye.